You know that feeling when you're in your office and you're doing the same thing over and over again every single week, like maybe you're cleaning up data, maybe you're combining multiple files, removing duplicates or fixing columns. Trust me, I've been there. It feels like you're stuck in a never-ending loop and it's driving you crazy. Well, let me tell you about a secret weapon that changed everything for me. It is called Power Query, and it is like an Excel superpower that lets you automate all those boring, repetitive tasks with just a few clicks. No more spending hours upon hours doing the same thing over and over again. With Power Query, you can free up your time to work on more important things, and you can do it without being a coding expert or a data scientist. In fact, when I first started using Power Query, I was just a regular guy in an office. I didn't know any coding or complex formulas, and yet I was able to use Power Query to automate 80% of my repetitive tasks. That's right. I went from spending countless hours on manual labor to having almost everything done automatically in just a few weeks. It was like having a personal assistant, except it was an AI assistant that worked tirelessly without complaining, and it made me look like a superstar at work. For example, let's say you need to clean up data from multiple sheets in your Excel file. With Power Query, you can do it with one click. Just select the data, transform it once, and apply it to all the other sheets. Or let's say you have dozens of files that you need to combine. No problem. Power Query can read all the files at once and put them together in one place. And if you have inconsistent formatting every week, Power Query can fix that automatically too. The best part is that it's super easy to learn. If you know basic Excel, you can pick up Power Query in no time. So don't waste another minute doing those boring repetitive tasks manually. Start using Power Query and let the AI do the work for you. You'll have more time, you'll be more productive, and you'll look like a genius at work. I promise you that. So are you ready to learn how to use Power Query to become the most efficient person in your office? Well, then keep watching, because that's exactly what we're going to cover next. So click the link below and get access to this amazing Excel course that will teach you everything you need to know about Power Query. Don't miss out on this opportunity to level up your skills and become the office hero. Click the link below and get started today.